Namaskar. Today I am going to teach you how to make pancakes. These pancakes are very special because we are going to make them without egg. The ingredients are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, water and Nutella or maybe Hershey syrup. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients together. Now we will add vanilla essence. You can see the consistency is little hard. We can add little water to it. Consistency should be very smooth and flowy and little thin also. So the mixture is ready now. We have to leave our batter for 5 to 10 minutes now. Now we will prepare our pancakes on non-stick tawa. So put little bit of butter or any cooking oil. You can see that our pancake is done and it's ready to be served now. Now we will put chocolate syrup on our pancake.